Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. This morning I'm going to show you guys how I make my Swedish pancakes, okay? And also I'm going to have some bacon, some fruits. It's going to be so delicious, guys. Let me show you guys what I have for you. As you can see here, I have my flour, all-purpose flour, and I have 1 cup of milk, okay? And I have my vanilla extract. And I have I have 7 eggs, okay, and I'm going to use 2 of them for my Swedish pancakes. And here I have my bacon already cooked ahead, and here I have my vegetables, strawberries, blueberries, and kiwis and blackberries, okay. And I have a little bit of sugar and 1 teaspoon of white sugar, and I have my cinnamon powder, okay. And then here I have 1 lime. I'm going to use the zest for it, okay. And I already have my butter melted, okay. So let's start cooking, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to crack my eggs. Okay. Okay, guys, let me do this. With those white stuff, guys, I don't like them in my eggs. I'm taking them off. Okay, you see that? Alright, do this one. Okay, that's good. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add my salt and my sugar. Okay, cinnamon powder. Not too much. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, and now I'm going to grate my lime. Okay, I'm going to leave some when I'm done with my pancakes. Okay. Okay, now I'm adding my milk. Okay, not too much yet. Now I'm adding my butter. Okay, let me whisk it. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back, we'll finish up everything. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let me show you my, you see that? Okay, so what I'm going to do next, it's time to add my butter. Okay, not too much, guys. You have to move it around the pot. Okay, I'm going to let it cook. Okay, when we come back, guys, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's check on our cakes. You see that, guys? Beautiful. Okay, oh, it looks very nice, guys. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to make another one for you guys. Okay, move it around. Okay, let it cook. Look at that. Ah. Okay, so when we come back, guys, and then we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time for my eggs. I'm going to add some garlic powder. Okay, onion powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, ginger powder, and some parsley. Okay, and black pepper. Okay guys, my butter melted for my eggs. Okay, let me check on that. Okay guys. Alright guys, when we come back, we'll finish up, okay? Come back. Okay guys, now everything's finished. Let me show you my plate, okay? Let me show you what I have for you. Okay, here, as you can see, my plate's already fixed. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some syrup, okay, not too much, okay, and some white powdered sugar, okay, you see that guys, okay, very nice, okay guys. Right, okay, you see, and my fruits, very beautiful. Okay, that's it for me guys this morning. All right, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and remember to share, okay, and try it, okay. So have a wonderful morning and afternoon. Enjoy. Bye.